Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from PeopleSearcher step by step. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Let's jump in. To opt out from PeopleSearcher, navigate to the PeopleSearcher website. Scroll down to the bottom of the web page and click the Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Info link. Removing your personal information from the PeopleSearcher website requires you to search for your profile. In the Remove My Information search, fields enter your first and last name and select the state where you live from the All States drop-down options, then click Search. Find your name from the search results and click the green arrow next to your name to begin your opt-out. The PeopleSearcher Remove Your Information form will appear. Enter your email address, full name, address, and phone number into the form, then click Submit. An on-screen notification will appear indicating an opt-out confirmation email will be sent to you. Check your email inbox for an email from PeopleSearcher. Open the email and click the confirmation link to complete your opt-out. Confirmation of your opt-out will appear. Your personal information will be removed from the PeopleSearcher website. Congratulations on opting out of PeopleSearcher. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of PeopleSearch sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.